All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving into some really cool stuff today. So we're looking at Microsoft and what they're doing with artificial intelligence.
Yeah, some really fascinating developments.
Yeah, so basically we're talking AI agents that can automate a lot of business tasks.
Yep.
And this is something that we've pulled from some recent excerpts.
Yeah.
And it looks like things could get
Pretty wild.
wild. So we're going to be talking about things like customer service.
Oh, yeah.
Sales management, even onboarding of new employees.
And all automated by AI.
Yeah, so one of the really interesting things here is that Microsoft is using something called Copilot.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that.
Yeah, and they're using that as the heart of these AI agents.
Okay.
And they've actually developed a platform called Copilot Studio, which allows users to build and customize their own agents.
Wow, so you don't have to be like a programmer.
No, you don't.
To do that.
You don't need to know any code or anything. That's awesome.
Yeah, you just use natural language prompts?
So you just tell it what to do.
Pretty much.
That's amazing.
It is very cool.
So, how complex can these agents get?
They can be super simple.
Okay.
Like just responding to very specific prompts.
Right.
Or they can get really sophisticated and handle multi-step processes autonomously.
Okay, so for example, you could have one that manages customer inquiries, but then also processes their sales orders.
Exactly, yeah. And it can do that from start to finish without any human intervention.
Wow, that's impressive. So how do these agents actually learn how to do this stuff?
Well, they rely on data.
Okay.
And that data comes from all sorts of places within the company.
Okay.
So think like SharePoint Dynamics 365, even third-party apps.
Wow. Okay. So it's really tapping into everything.
Yeah. It's using all of the existing company data to make smarter decisions.
That makes sense.
And personalize its actions for each organization.
And the cool thing is it keeps learning, right?
It does. This is one of the really exciting aspects of it.
Okay.
It's designed to learn from user interactions.
So the more people use it, the better it gets.
Exactly.
That's fantastic.
It's a constant learning process.
Wow. Okay. So when is all this stuff going to be available?
So Microsoft plans to make these AI agents generally available in late October 2024.
Okay.
And Copilot Studio, the tool for creating custom agents, is going to roll out to Microsoft 365 Copilot customers throughout October.
Okay, so if you have 365 Copilot, you'll get it first.
Yep.
Cool. And I read also that they'll have some pre-designed agents.
Yeah, they will.
That'll be available right away.
Yes, focusing on customer service and sales.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, because those are areas where AI can have a big impact quickly.
Right. So it seems like Microsoft is really trying to be a leader in this enterprise AI space.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They're definitely making a big push to be at the forefront of this technology.
So what does all this mean for everyday workers?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, how is this going to change the way we work?
Yeah.
Will AI agents replace human jobs?
Yeah.
Or will they just handle all the mundane tasks?
Right. Freeing us up.
And free us up.
To be more creative.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So as we enter this new era of AI-powered business, it's something to really think about.
Yeah, it's definitely something to think about, folks.
Yeah.
I'm a little scared.
It's both exciting and a little scary.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But it's the future, and it's happening now.
Yeah, it's happening now.
All right. Thanks, everybody, for joining us on this deep dive
Yeah.
into Microsoft's AI agents.